We've got 5 minutes with you. We've read your paper.
Tamari e, papaki tuana ngatai ki te ringa, me whai whakaro ki ngā hunga mate nana nei I ngaro ki te pō I ngā tai whene o te hitori o te motu nei. Kia tautau rātou manakitanga ki runga I a tātou he arahi I te ara tika. E rere ana aku mihi ki te iwi Māori whānui e manaki ana I a tātou I te whenua nei. Mai I te taitokera ki poneke I pōwhiritia a hau I te au o te hikoi mō te tiriti, o te rā ka tukua aku mihi aroha anō ki ngai tahu whānui, ina rā ki ngai tuahuriri ko rāta te mana whenua o tōku wāhi noho. Ngā mihi mai oha ki a koutou ngā mema o te komiti whiriwhiri mō te ahenga nei. Ko waia hau. No tiamana, no ingarangi, no wiwi o ku tipuna, I tipu ake a hau ki tiamana. Ko te reo tiamana tōku reo tuatahi, ko te reo ingarihi tōku reo tuarua, ko ia te reo o oku tipuna ki te taha o tōku whaia. Ko te reo Māori, he koha ia no te tangata take o Aotearoa, hei whakarake mō tōku arero, hei parihau mō tōku ngākau, hei heringa a wairua ki te whenua nei. Ko Dr. Tanya Schwein tōku ingoa, tēnā koutou.
Right.
I'm a German...
Oh, okay. Yep.
Yep.
No, that's fine.
I am a German New Zealander with a PhD in English from the University of Canterbury and a Cambridge certificate in English language teaching to adults. I have taught English literature as a tutor at university and English language at Polytechnic. My grandfather came from Worcestershire in England. I have close English family living across the UK. My daughters are native English speakers. My love for the English language is evident and, as it were, certified. And I am opposed to this bill. I recommend that it be scrapped. The government is not reading the room, and we see the bill for what it is. It is a symbolic act to round off a raft of legislation under this government that denigrates the mana of Māori and blatantly seeks to eradicate a people, their culture, and their language. This bill must be seen in that context. It is not the bureaucratic tidy-up exercise it pretends to be, because if it was, why introduce it now when we have bigger issues to worry about? How much taxpayer money is wasted by this process? This bill is introduced by the Honourable Paul Goldsmith, who had the gall to remove Māori greetings from official matariki invitations to foreign dignitaries. That was an open show of contempt for Te Reo Māori. The bill is a legislative sneer in that context, and in that context it is harmful. We must consider the sheer insensitivity of introducing this bill without so much as acknowledging the survivors of generations who were beaten for speaking Māori. The English language was weaponized to beat identity and self-esteem out of little children. Survivors, their children and their grandchildren have had to work hard to return to their reo. Thanks to them, Te Reo Māori is now thriving in parts of the population. Others still have a road ahead of them. How humbling for us Tangata Tiriti to be invited to walk with them in spite of everything that happened. Some of those survivors are, in fact, my friends. I am here for them to let them know that whatever the government of the Crown is doing, they are not doing it in my name. Any introduction of a bill giving English official status needs to be in consultation with the treaty partners and with those who have been harmed by the weaponization of the English language. I don't see any of that happening here. When you learn another language to become good at it, you travel to the home country of that language and immerse yourself. That is how you achieve fluency. Aotearoa, New Zealand, is the only country that is home to Te Reo Māori, and yet we cannot truly immerse ourselves. That is not normal. As a learner, I have to look hard for opportunities to speak and practice. We have to create immersive spaces, but the country itself is still not an immersive environment for its own Indigenous language. This is the result of deliberate colonial oppression, racist attitudes, and chronic underfunding. In contrast, English needs no help. What I am saying is, why this bill now? Why is English being prioritized now through this process? If this bill is to be a bureaucratic tidy-up, then it can wait until such time that Te Reo Māori and New Zealand Sign Language are as mainstream and respected as English is now, as respected by all layers of society, even senior government ministers such as the Honourable Paul Goldsmith and Winston Peters. Let's work towards a time when tangata whenua feels safe and respected enough to perhaps invite us to have English as official language. Now that would be cause for celebration. Until that time, if this government, tikanga kore, is not doing the right thing, then we tangata tiriti will. Side by side with and guided by tangata whenua. Te Reo Māori will thrive on our tongues, in our hearts and in our children. We will create the nation that Te Tiriti intended in spite of this government. Tēnā koutou. E re re taku manu ki runga I te hau o te tangi tiriti, ko te rangi, ko te papa, ko te mihi e. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tanya. Sorry we've run out of time, but thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Kia ora.